Hi friends, so in this video I'll be answering the very important key question, which is testing a bad career? So I'll try to answer this question in this video. According to me, I will definitely say software testing career is not a bad career. It is a good career if you really wanted to grow in software testing. That is my answer for this question. I am also justifying my question with few reasoning for it as well. Let me tell you around 8 reasons I have placed in this video. So let me explain you one by one reason so that you can easily understand what is the rationale behind why I am saying that software testing career is a good career for you. The number one reason or rationale is software industry is not dying soon, because everywhere software is getting added, every industry, every field which is getting automated using software, and software market is also growing over the period. Because of this, when software industry is not dying, definitely software testing is also not going to die. That is the one rationale or reason for me. Then the second one is, when software industry is not going down, when it is not dying, definitely new softwares will be getting added, it will be getting developed over the period. When software is getting developed, then someone has to test that software as well. If you are releasing the product without testing, then you can understand what are the various challenges it may happen. A lot of real-time issues will come out, and nobody will be buying your product or a service when you are going to deliver this product without properly tested. That is the second reason. Then the third reason is, compared to any other field, software testing is relatively, you may not require very high-end qualification, like you may not require to have MTech, BTech with computer science, all those things. And if someone has exposure on some software, some technologies, and he is very eagerly to learn, if he get trained, like even BA resources, BCom, even to the certain extent engineering resources, if they get trained, definitely they can do a better job. This is the only place where you have a lot of opportunity to shift from one role to another role, because being a tester, you have gained lot of domain expertise, lot of technical skills, lot of various skills in terms of stakeholder management and so on. Because of these various learnings you make over the period, you have a lot of option to move your career from one role to another role. Like business analyst, you can move on to a Scrum master, you can move on to the product owner, or you can move on to the project manager, and so on. The options are pretty much good here, and you have a lot of opportunity to take care over the period as you grow in your career. That is the fourth reason why I am saying the testing career is not bad at all. Then the fifth reason is, at least in testing world, at least your career can go up to 15 to 20 years. From software tester to senior test manager, you can grow over the period. Maybe from 10 to 20 years, you can take up this high-level role in a short span as well. If you're a key learner and you're very competitive, you can take up the senior test manager role even at 12 to 15 years as well. Then the sixth reason why software testing field is not bad is because the salary is also be given almost equal like a software development field. Even you can draw up to 20 to 30 lakhs minimum, even if you are working in a top-notch companies. Even if you work for average company, at least minimum up to 20 to 25 lakhs easily you will learn over the period during your tenure in the software testing field. Then the seventh reason is, being a software tester or a test manager or a test lead, you have a lot of opportunity to work with various clients, stakeholder interaction, because you are bringing a lot of expertise in domain, technological skills. Because of that, you will be interacting with these stakeholders, because at the end of the day, various data parameters which normally QA team or testing team will be provided to the client or stakeholders. Because of this, the testing role becomes very crucial, especially when we are signing off the releases. Then the eighth reason is, if you are a good learner, if you are a quick learner, as long as you are learning new technologies, new skills over the period, automation tools, if you are becoming a domain expertise in a faster manner, definitely your growth will be very good and you can grow very fast as well being a software tester. Unless if you are not learning, if you are not changing yourself to the technologies, if you are not learning new tools, or if you are not becoming a domain expertise, then definitely I will say for them the testing field may not be a good fit for them. So these are the 8 reasons which I am able to think of why I am saying the testing career is a good career for you. I am hoping at least you guys got some clarity regarding the testing career. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.